One of the challenges that I suppose every videographer has is making sure they have enough light. So I have increased my number of softboxes from 1 to 3. So let's see if I can make a video with those things. Greetings, VAC fans, especially those who really like classic Electroluxes. So I have a new part for the floor rug combination tool, and I've been waiting to actually do this for a number of years. So in a previous video, I went and upgraded this. We got new wings and new brushes. And the thing is, it's all genuine Electrolux. So this, I think, is just an aftermarket part, but this is so hard to find. So you kind of take what you can get sometimes. So the bristles on here have been like this since I got this machine in 1987. And I don't really use this tool a whole lot, but I think I'm going to enjoy using it more now because I've got replacement bottom plate here. We've got little notches out of one side and then solid bristles on the other side. And I think I'm going to put the notch side on the front and I'll put the solid bristles there toward the back. I did clean this up a number of years ago, but I did not replace it until now. So here's really what the differences are. One's painted a darker brown and one is obviously unpainted. I don't think I'm gonna really have a need to paint that. So I can't wait to actually use this. I've used this other side, but I haven't used this side. And now, since the canister itself has an essentially refurbed motor, except for the front bearing that's riveted in, really annoying when they rivet stuff in like that, I can use my Electrolux as it was intended and not worry about it till that bearing seizes. This thing is so tall now, but can't wait to try it out. So how about I reset everything up and we try it out on bare floor. So from left to right, we have rice, we have some oats, got some flour, baking soda, and then some red sand. Now I have so much lighting, I have to walk around them. So let's see if we can create a nifty little mess here. See what the Lux can do after 39 years. Flour. We have baking soda. Very, very fine. Very very, very fine baking soda. And some red sand. Okay, so I'm running the 1401B in its maximum airflow mode. I'm not using any kind of airflow relief. So let's see what this does. Of course, I guess you could use this. The only thing is I don't like the scraping sound that actually makes. So I'm interested to try this out. So yeah, I would say that this setup, after all these decades, works very well. That's pretty amazing. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned, maybe for a bare floor cleaning with this particular machine. Hey, got one there, got to pick up.